Alright you guys, so this is a Toyota XB 2015. I went ahead and I unscrewed the T25 on the side of the door and took this thing out. You can find the code right here, 53408. Okay, you go ahead and put that in. Okay, and this is how you make a key for it. Okay, watch this, 53480. Bam. That's our bidding thing, okay? Cut. Cut. Alright, so now he's gonna start cutting, okay? Alright you guys, so we have our key cut out. Now I like to try it out before I take it. So just put it into the cylinder, make sure that it turns. And that's how we know if we did our key correct, okay? Because it's turning the lock cylinder.